In this video, I will be showing you how to build a custom CRM on Base44 using simple natural language prompts. Let's get started. I'll begin on the dashboard and type a detailed prompt describing exactly what I need, including columns for the client name, a status dropdown with lead, won, and lost options, and a last contact field. Once I click Generate, the AI begins building the entire application architecture from scratch. I can watch as it writes the data schema, sets up the styling with Tailwind, and creates essential components like the client table and the add client dialog. It even handles the authentication and adds sample data so we have a working preview right away. Now that the app is ready, I have a clean dashboard where I can manage my leads. I can easily update the status of any client directly from the table using the interactive dropdowns. To add a new record, I'll click the Add Client button, type in a name like FixOQ, select a status, and save it. Everything works perfectly. Finally, I'll click the Publish button in the top right corner, set the app to public, and deploy it. I can now access my live CRM through the provided URL, log in securely, and start managing my business data in a professional, custom-built environment. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.